the midst of the relentless buzz of technology and the swift currents of contemporary life, we find ourselves drawn towards the eternal mysteries that have captivated human minds since antiquity. Who are we? Why do we exist? In what ways are our spirits entwined with the vast cosmos? Embarking on this intellectual odyssey, we probe into our society's deep-seated desires, a longing for authentic connection, a quest for meaning, and an earnest pursuit of comprehending our role in the grand tapestry of the universe. Let us now embark on a journey of discovery, for within the infinite expanse of the cosmos we find reflections of our very essence. Scientific materialism and the significance of conscious awareness. In the intricate mosaic of scientific exploration, conventional thought has long positioned genetics as the principal orchestrator of life's complex ballet. Our DNA was believed to be the steadfast conductor guiding the tempo and direction of our being. However, as the veil of knowledge has lifted, revealing more complex layers, our understanding of the environment's critical influence on our cellular fabric has deepened. The narrative has shifted from a solitary performance to a synergistic dance, where cells and their environment perform a mutual ballet, profoundly influencing each other. Venturing further into the realm of biology, we encounter the nuanced role of protein receptors. Positioned on the cell's exterior, these receptors serve as sentinels, deciphering environmental signals. These receptors function as cellular interpreters, transforming external messages into internal actions, steering everything from cellular growth to healing processes. Their role is a palpable testament to the deep entanglement of our inner biological workings with the outer world. However, there exists a realm beyond the tangible aspects of biology, the realm of consciousness. While protein receptors form a bridge between cellular structures and their milieu, consciousness represents a bridge to a more profound, ethereal understanding of existence. This notion challenges the materialistic perspective, proposing that our essence transcends mere biological functions. Instead, it suggests that we are interwoven with a profound sentience, harmonizing with the universal cadence. Evolution as a narrative of cooperation. Throughout the annals of history, Darwin's theory of evolution has frequently been portrayed as a saga of intense competition, a survival of the fittest in a ruthless world. Such a reductive view tends to eclipse Darwin's own highlighting of cooperation as a crucial driver in the evolutionary process. Instead of being an arena of relentless struggle, the evolutionary narrative is more intricate, spotlighting the pivotal role of collaboration in the advancement of life. The thriving of life in its diverse forms is not solely attributed to individual strength, but is deeply rooted in complex networks of mutual support. The symbiotic ballet between pollinators and plants and the reciprocal relationships found in coral reefs are prime examples of how cooperation is a central theme in the natural world. This ethos of cooperative existence has been instrumental in shaping some of the most sophisticated and intricate systems in nature, illustrating that harmony and mutual dependence are often the victors in nature's vast spectacle. Embracing the now, resilience and contemplating the infinite. In the ephemeral waltz of life, the present stands as our most authentic connection with reality. It is in these fleeting instants that our existence truly unfolds. Fully engaging with each moment allows us to tap into life's richness, gleaning deep insights that mold our views and nourish our spirits. The tapestry of life, woven with its peaks and valleys, inevitably presents challenges. However, it is precisely through these experiences that we cultivate resilience, shaping ourselves into beings of fortitude and depth. In confronting these trials directly, we not only unveil our own strengths, but also lay down trails of wisdom for others to follow. Looking beyond the confines of our earthly existence, we encounter a timeless mystery, the question of what, if anything, awaits us after this life. This question has been pondered across various cultures and philosophies, leading to diverse beliefs about reincarnation, spiritual dimensions, and the continuation of consciousness. While definitive answers to this enigma remain out of reach, the pursuit of understanding itself is a significant journey. It invites us to introspect, explore, and possibly even prepare for what might exist beyond the known limits of our current existence. Uniting the realms of spirituality and science. Although often perceived as divergent paths, the realms of science and spirituality are in fact deeply interconnected. This relationship highlights that these two disciplines can indeed complement and enrich each other. The ancient spiritual wisdom that has been held in high esteem for centuries finds intriguing echoes in the discoveries of contemporary science. As we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, the lines between the energetic fields explored by physicists and the all-encompassing spiritual essence celebrated by mystics begin to converge. Nikola Tesla, renowned for his foresight, touched upon this interconnectedness. He emphasized the importance of considering non-material phenomena, proposing that a true comprehension of the universe involves thinking in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Immersing ourselves further into these domains reveals that science and spirituality are not opposing forces, but rather two aspects of a singular cosmic reality. Each provides a unique lens through which to view and understand the tapestry of our existence, revealing that they are complementary parts of a greater whole. Reawakening our spiritual bonds. Despite the numerous advancements and conveniences brought forth by modernity, contemporary Western societies have experienced a profound disconnection from their spiritual roots. This detachment has cast long shadows on the once vibrant fabric of spiritual consciousness that was a hallmark of earlier times. The gravitation towards a more materialistic outlook has dimmed the perception of a universe rich with soulfulness and vitality. Nonetheless, there is a growing call to revisit and rekindle our spiritual legacy. This resurgence emphasizes the crucial role of spiritual practices in fostering authentic and transformative experiences. Engaging in such practices not only grounds us in the immediacy of the present, but also opens gateways to dimensions beyond the material world, reigniting our connection with the profound and soulful universe. Exploring the timeless nature of consciousness. The concept of consciousness remains one of the most intriguing and enduring mysteries of the universe. It's a pervasive force, intricately weaving through every aspect of existence. Each rhythm of our pulse, every beat of our heart, and every flicker of thought is a manifestation of this all-encompassing consciousness, knitting a unified tapestry of life. This exploration into the interconnected nature of existence brings forth insights from a multitude of religious philosophies, each resonating with a similar core idea. Ancient Vedantic wisdom, the mystical poetry of Sufism, the introspective depths of Buddhism, and the profound insights of Christian mysticism all converge on one point: our fundamental connection with the divine. This deep-seated connection invites us to rise above the ordinary, to expand our awareness and to journey towards a profound communion with the boundless, ever-present infinite. Embracing our universal heritage. In our reflections on existence, we consistently encounter themes of love, unity, and interconnectedness. Far from being mere isolated entities in an immense universe, we are integral strands woven into its expansive fabric, holding a place of immeasurable value. Navigating the complexities of life, it becomes crucial to recognize and cherish this fundamental bond. This connection links us not only to the celestial bodies above, but also to every living being participating in this remarkable journey alongside us. The cosmic dance of particles, energies, and distant galaxies finds a parallel in the intricacies of our cells, the depth of our dreams, and the breadth of our ambitions. This understanding reveals that we are treasured elements of the cosmos, constantly seeking and discovering our reflection in its immensity. Such awareness enlightens us about our true place and purpose in the grand scheme of things. Embracing our cosmic heritage, we come to realize that our essential role is to act as emissaries of love and unity. We are here to embody and propagate the universe's profound message of oneness in every action, every breath, and every heartbeat. Thank you for exploring the cosmos with us. If you enjoyed this journey, please give us a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic insights. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.